Hey there guys, what's going on? We're here with another graphics card teardown, and this we have a Sparkles. I'm just gonna say Sparkle. A Sparkle 8800 GT. This is an interesting card because it's a single slot card. It's a very beautiful shroud design, and it's full metal too. I'm curious how much this card would have cost you back in the day. But it's a really nice card. So we got the precision bit set, small Phillips head, regular Phillips head. Likely this is all you'll need. So, lost my train of thought there. So we have to take off all these screws. This is a bare die chip, I think. What the heck? I got hair in my glasses. This is a bare die chip, I believe, and I am trying to find the... I can't seem to find it. The fan cable. Should have been... Ah, there it is. Okay. Your fan cable is right there. You can even sort of see it right there. Right there. Anyways, alright. So this will likely be sped up because this is, yeah, kind of boring. I don't remember if I finished my train of thought. I just realized this is a bare die chip, so be careful how you unscrew these. Unscrew at least. You can unscrew all these outer ones. Fine. You should be fine. These 4 in the middle here, you should unscrew them in a crosswise pattern and a bit each time. You back them out a little, back one screw out a little bit, then you go to the next one, back that one out the equal amount, then you do that to the next one, and then you just repeat the process until they're all out. But these outer ones should be fine to just take out however you choose. Alright, now that we have done that, it should just come apart. Yup. Fair warning, this is a very dusty card. Ooh. You will want to be careful with this fan connector. Oh. Yeah, that fan connector is fragile with a capital F. Wow. I say that and I just yank on it like an idiot. I'm not taking the full cooler apart. I've done a lot of cooler teardowns today. I'm sort of at my point with that. Set that to the side, but now we have the full thing exposed. As you can see, it was a bare die chip. I could tell when you looked underneath. Sometimes you can't, sometimes you can. If you want to take these off, these are a size 5 hex bit. Otherwise, there's nothing else to note here. We'll be putting this to the side and coming back to the cooler. Now, if you want to take off this metal heatsink from the actual metal shroud itself, there's these screws on the side here. There's 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry. 4. And then on the other side you have 3. So, 1, 2, 3. And you take those off, this should all just come out with the fan actually, and then you should just be left with this shroud. The fan is just same old 3 screws. So there's 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. And that's really about it for this card. I'm trying to make sure there's no special way these cables are routed. The only thing I would say you need to be careful about when taking out this fan is I'm not sure how this comes out. There's this little thing holding in the fan cable here, and in order to get this out you need to get this off. I'm not sure how exactly. It looks like it's clipped in it. If you can sort of see, right? You really can't. It looks like it's just clipped in. If you just pop that clip out, you should be fine. Otherwise, that's it. It's a simple teardown, but at least you know what you're getting into. Oh, there is one other thing. There is a screw right here for this plate. Just realized it. So, there is that. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. I'm now going to get on to a little bit more interesting content. I don't know how much I'll get done tonight, but we'll see. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, ding dong notification bell. Go check out the channel if you want to see some other teardowns, or if you're going to be tearing down a graphics card for a friend or something. I don't know. Hey. And you guys have a great day. Later.